What's up, gorgeous people? Food artist Ami is here. I'm going to teach you technique and recipe so that you can make absolutely anything from scratch. Go grab your ingredients. I'm going to show you why homemade food tastes better. I'm going to teach you how to make the most amazing, delicious stew you ever had in your life. This is one of my signature dishes called Mediterranean Jewel Stew. Perfect. Let's start with ingredients you need for making my delicious stew. This recipe feeds a family of 4. We need 2 pounds of chicken. I like to use boneless, skinless chicken thigh. You can use your favorite part of chicken. Slice your chicken into about 3-inch pieces. Place your cutted chicken in a bowl to the side. Chopped 1 large onion. You can use yellow or white onion. Minced 2 garlic cloves. 15 dried apricot and 50 pitted prunes. Keep them whole. 1 cup fresh squeezed orange juice and squeeze juice of 1 lime or lemon. I like to use lime for this dish. It has better taste. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. Don't confuse tomato paste with puree or crushed. It will change the taste dramatically. We will add variety of spices. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons Turkish chili flakes. Or if you don't have that Turkish chili flakes handy, you can add any kind of medium heat pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. Now let's start cooking. Place your pot on the stove at medium heat. Pour 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I prefer to use avocado oil, but it is your choice. When oil gets hot, add turmeric. Add the chopped onion and give them a stir. Saute the onions until they are brown and start translucent and become caramelized. Now add the minced garlic. Add the chicken pieces and stir well so everything is merged together. Let it stand cooking until the chicken cooks and the juices are released. Add the tomato paste and stir it well along the tomato paste to fry in the oil. And it will allow the tomato paste to get brighter and tastier. Now add all remaining spices and mix them very well. Put the lid on the pot and let it simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes on the medium heat. Now time to add lime juice and orange juice. Add apricots and prunes and give it a good stir. Put back the lid on and keep the heat at medium-low. Let it simmer for 30 to 35 minutes. Look at this beautiful stew. It looks like it is ready. It's time to place the stew in a bowl to serve. You can serve this stew over the rice, or with bread, or even with mashed potatoes. If you like the recipe and the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends and family and loved ones. If you have any question or thoughts, please comment below. Also, follow me on Instagram for different tips and recipes. Enjoy! See you next time!